5 habits that can fix 80% of your problems. Number 1. Create a morning ritual. Have a morning ritual for yourself. Practice waking up early, it makes you prep up for the day. Make time for exercise. Make time for meditation. The more you practice it, the more your life gets better. Number 2. Plan your day the night before. Planning your day the night before is an incredibly popular productivity strategy. Get everything ready you need for the morning. Things seem simpler when everything is planned and handy. Number 3. Get enough rest. Without enough rest, you can't enjoy or improve your life. To get all the things done as expected, you must get enough rest for your body and mind. Not getting enough rest makes you cranky and reduces your ability to concentrate. Number 4. If something takes 5 minutes or less, just do it. If you can do something that takes less than 5 minutes to complete, do it right away. Getting those simple tasks done right away prevents a lot of clutter and stress later on. Number 5. Follow the 80-20 rule. Invest most of your energy and time on those specific tasks that create the big impact and maximizes your productivity. 20% of the task yield 80% of the results. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.